Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix ChatGPT network error. It's easy. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do first, just click here and then type control panel and click view by, make it small icons, and here this one, network and sharing center, click on it. And now just access type internet, you need to find it here and then click on it, and maybe you'll find here internet or Wi-Fi, just click on it and then properties, protocol internet version 4, properties again. Now just copy my settings, you will find it like that. Just select second one here and then type 111.1.10.01 and click OK, and that's it. Now just go back and type here cmd, right click, run as administrator, yes, and here type ipconfig//dns and then type net winsock reset and click enter. That's it. You need to restart your PC, and now just restart your PC and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.